How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I actually just got done filming the full review on this 2020 C8 Corvette. So if you haven't checked that out, definitely be sure to check it out. I'll leave a link on top of the video right now. Also, I know I mentioned it in the review, but this car actually is for sale at Aston Martin in Summit, New Jersey. So I'll leave a link to their website as well as this specific car's listing, and definitely go check it out if you are in the market for the C8. And also, guys, again, before I get into it, I'm going to be doing my very first giveaway once I hit 1,500 subscribers on the channel. We're very, very close to that, so definitely be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be giving away $100 worth of my merchandise to one subscriber and one subscriber only, and literally all you have to do to get entered is subscribe. So definitely go down there, click the subscribe button, and it definitely helps me out a lot as a smaller YouTuber. But anyways, now I'm actually going to hop inside this 2020 Corvette and take you guys for a ride with me. All right, guys, so we are driving this Corvette today in track mode and in manual mode. I feel like that is obviously the most fun, I guess, driving mode to drive this thing in. But yeah, I mean, this thing just launches insane. Plus the tires are already warm because I was just driving it. But for the most part, if you haven't seen any of my POV driving videos before, I try to kind of just shut up during the video and just drive for you guys. But again, if you haven't seen it already, definitely be sure to check out the full review because I go over all the different specs and power numbers and features of this specific Corvette. And to anyone wondering, this is a 2020 regular kind of Stingray, not a Z51, and this is just the 1LT. So this is honestly pretty much like the cheapest C8 that you can get on the market right now. And honestly, I feel like this is worth every single dollar you're gonna spend on this thing. actually do have to get gas for this thing, so I'm gonna hop on the highway real quick because I know there's a gas station up here, so doing a little pull for you guys. Unfortunately, we do have other people, so we obviously can't go too crazy. Mentioned this in the review, but the traditional kind of small block Chevy platform of this engine, it sounds amazing. It actually does sound like true American muscle. I know a lot of people, including me, when they first came out with the C8s, they saw the design and they thought that Chevy was, you know, going a little bit too far away from its more traditional roots. But I think they did a very, very, very good job with the C8. And also, this does have the cross-plane crank in it. The C8 Z06 will have the flat-plane crank V8, so that will sound more like something like a Ferrari 458 or something like that. More of like a European supercar, naturally aspirated V8 sound. But I do think Chevy did very, very well with this LT2 V8 that's in this thing. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much just gonna be it for today's video. Again, if you want to check out this specific car, I will leave the link down in the description below, as well as probably the pinned comment to Aston Martin Summit's website, as well as the specific listing for this individual car. And again, if you guys aren't subscribed already, definitely be sure to subscribe, because we're doing that giveaway on the channel very, very soon. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna basically post a video like choosing the winner or whatever once we hit 1,500 subscribers. And definitely if you want to know more about this specific car, be sure to check out the full review I just filmed on this car. But like always, guys, thank you for all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.